10.1 is about area of parallelograms and triangles. We're going to use these formulas to help us through this stuff. So area of a rectangle is base times height. Area of a parallelogram is also base times height, but notice that the height drops down from one of the vertices and it's 90 degrees with the base. That's why you don't need that here in a rectangle, because it's 90 degrees there too. And same thing with the triangle, drop down, form 90 degree. All heights form 90 degrees angles with the base. Okay, and the triangle is 1/2 base times height. Now in problem 1, what's the area of these parallelograms? We can definitely tell our height in A is 4. Which one's our base? Is the 4.5 our base or is the 5 our base? Now the 4 makes a 90 degree angle with the 5, so that makes the 5 the base with that height. Now if you flipped it, you'd have to find the height for the 4.5, but that's a different story. So my area here equals 5 times 4, which is 20. Okay, and same thing here. Which one's my base? Well, my height is right there. It forms a 90 degree. It's a little bit outside the parallelogram, but it's still fine. So our area here, what is it 90 degrees with? It's 90 degrees with the 2, so 2 times 3.5 is going to be an area of 7. Problem 2, what is DE? Now in problem 2, we're looking for DE. DE is the altitude here. Okay, so it's really our height. So it's a height that's associated with the base 9.4. So how am I going to find that? Well, I can take the area. I'll make sure that's not a number. I want to take the area, which I can find by base, which is 13, times this height over here, which is 9, which ends up giving me 117. Okay, once I have the area, now that's the area of this figure, I can use that to find the height here. So my area, which is 117, equals 9.4, which is my base, times my height, which is h. Divide by 9.4, I'm going to end up with h equals 12.4. Problem 4 is, what is the area? This is a composite figure made up of a triangle and a square here. Okay, so we're going to have to go ahead and find the area of both of these. So let's find the area of the square. That's easy. Base times height, just 6 times 6, which is 36. Now let's find the area of the triangle next. So area of the triangle is going to be 1/2 my base, which is 6, times the height, which is 8, which gives me 24. Now to find the total area equals 36, which is the square, plus 24, which is the triangle, and that gives me 60.